Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a way you can earn money online using a app called Periscope. What is Periscope and how can you use Periscope to earn money online? Let's find out. Before we get started and jump into it, I will encourage you to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload more exciting content like this. Let's get started. I'm going to take you to the Periscope app in a couple of minutes, and then this app is very easy, it's flexible. All you have to do is just live stream. That's what the app is about. It's for live streaming. So many people around the world use it. You can link into your Twitter account, to your Facebook, to your email address. Before we get started, I would like you to visit this website. It's dammylovato.com. It's a great website for news, entertainment, and stuff. So let me take you to the Periscope app. Let's go. Yes, this is the Periscope app. Let me click on it. Yeah, probably made in America. It's loading out. Let's just wait for it to load. This is the dashboard. These are live streams of people that are using Periscope. And then let's go to the activities. Yes, these are activities. These are people that watch you and stuff. And then this is the provide dashboard. Yes, this is where we are going. The provide dashboard. Yeah, you have to go down a bit and then click on the super fans. The super fans are people that watch your live stream constantly. And then we have to talk about the stars. And the stars, these are just like gifts. They give to you when watching your live stream, and then they like your live stream. That's the stars. And then the super broadcasting program is what we are going to talk about, because that's the way you can earn your income. And then you have to keep broadcasting to get the stars, because the more you broadcast, the more people send you stars and stuff. And then before you can apply for a super broadcaster program, you have to have the following requirement in the video. You must reside in one of the supported country. You must have an active Periscope account for at least 30 days and have a minimum start year old of 185,000 and have to create like at least 5 broadcasts, and then you should have an average view of 50 viewers live and 75 replay via per public broadcast. These are the requirements you need to join the super broadcasting program. And then when you join the super broadcasting program, you start earning money. They start converting your stars into cash for you. It's very easy and flexible. All you just have to do is just stay in your house, live stream to people. You can do anything on your live stream. You can do a program, sing a song, do a free shortcut course and stuff. This is the streaming dashboard if you want to go live and stuff. I'll drop a link below to download the Periscope app, and I hope you will. Thank you so much for watching this video.